we need to be ready from first month to 16th month. Ano din, isa din yung ego. It's not about me, Nick Cabanero. It's not about Colin Sakowe. It's not Portsky Pagligawan. Parang, ano ba, we have a respect on one another. Even sa mga coaches din, that's how they mold us. That's how they believe in us na yun nga, mentally tough talaga yung nangyari sa amin for the losing streak. Pero we still believe that we can. And sa lahat ng chances and opportunity, we just need to make sure that we will grab the opportunity.
For sure naman, alam niyo yung usap-usapan yun sa free throws na naging problema ng USC. Yun nga, napansin ng iba yung pre-game routine. Still hindi pa rin medyo maganda 24 to 39. But can you just share how are you addressing that concern? Especially, importante na yung mga laro.
Ano lang, kailangan lang namin to have trust. Like kung sino yung titira ng free throw, dapat we will believe that we can make it. And ano din, of course, parang kahit this game na, pababa nga yung percentage namin sa free throws. But even though ganun yung nangyari, we still believe na maangat namin yung comfort zone namin. Na